All right, guys, so we are taking the rear end off the car because we have another rear end at Profab, and I'm gonna pull this one off, take the wheels off, put them in the car, lower the car the best I can, see how much room I get to play with, and then measure wheel inside of the wheel to the inside of the wheel, and see if we can leave it like that, or we have to cut the other rear end and order some axles for it, and go from there. So right now the car has some wheeled wheels. They're actually pretty nice. So it has some wheel wheels, and with those wheels they'll be matching the front. We order some Jag SSR spikes, I think is what they call. They kind of just mimic the rear wheel setup or the design. So anyways, I'm just gonna start working on it and get this thing off. Got this little stand right here. So I'm gonna put the phone there and you can watch me work for about 3 minutes. It might take me 18 hours in real life. Most of this thing has ever worked.
Had to put it to good use.
I'm gonna hook up your truck, your RV,
You want to do a tug of war?
your car,
right now, your truck
your
versus
Bronco. I'm gonna
'Cause
drag
I will
all
pull
of
you all the way to Spring Hill.
Okay, I'm gonna drag you to Clearwater, dog.
Go get a piece of wood, babe. I mean, it's gonna end up on that pole. Well, at least we paid nothing.
You're recording?
Yeah.
Alright, guys, so the wheels or the brakes are really like draggy right now, so there's no park brake, there's nothing right now. So that is being held right now, but just by being rusted. So if it does run down the hill, there's the perfect light pole right there. So we are safe. The neighbors are safe, we are safe, everybody's safe. The car might need a new front end, but it'll be okay. I don't think he'll gain too
That's
much
how he'll
speed.
get his new front end. It's all a plan, everyone.
No. I don't think he'll gain enough speed, but maybe to take my little 4 emblem, which is my favorite part about the car. Alright guys, as you can tell, there are some extremely expensive Jag wheels on the front with, let me say this, brand new, spanking, brand new front Mickey Thompson tires. Yes, we went crazy on this budget and we bought some Jag wheels and some Mickey Thompsons. So I am super excited. These are 15-inch 26s, so this is gonna be great. I think it looks fine. I wanted to put 17s to cover up a little bit more of that gap, but we're gonna be bringing the we want it to look good. We want to do some no prep racing with it, but at the same time we want it to look decent because I want to do a lot of different things. Don't mind that gap there, it just needs a couple bolts. Don't freak out, everything's fine. So what I want to do with it is I'm gonna lower it a little bit and it'll look really good. Now, as you saw, we took the rear end off the car. The stock, not the stock, the whatever rear end was in the car. It was a 5 lug, but they already did a conversion on it. I don't, to be honest with you, I have no idea. All I know is there was an 8.8 in it. But my buddy had this one and he's like, dude, just take it. It's been built and it has a lot of good stuff in it. It's proven to make good power. So we just swapped it, but it came out of the SN95, so it sticks out a lot. So right now it looks kind of like a mud truck, but that's not a big deal. I'm currently doing some financial saving to see if we can get this thing to profab and get the tour boxes done, because this car is obviously notorious for tour box issues. So we're gonna get the tour boxes done, and then how fun is this? I got jacks in the front, and then I got this amazingly good looking welds there. So all in all, super excited how it turned out. We have some decent Viking shocks in the back, nothing crazy. Some off the shelf little Viking shocks. They are dual adjustable, so they'll do good. It's nothing crazy. I thought about spending a little bit of money on shocks, but again, I just keep trying to stop myself from spending money on this thing. So this is gonna be a really nice rear end once it's all said and done. Again, guys, look, like the car came with a little holly pump in there and stuff, so all this stuff is just kind of how I had it when I bought it. This is kind of how it came. And so there's a lot of work to be done, man, but I am excited. The shocks in the rear end are literally being held by just a bolt. I don't even have a nut on a lot of the other side of the bolt, so they're just kind of passed through and just holding it together. Trying to make it easy, so if I do take it to profab to get this stuff done, it'll be easy for them to take it off. So, but anyways, I have to put some effort into it, but at the same time, I have other cars that I have to finish. So, like for example, this one is coming in this coming week to finish, finally get it all done. And then that one is getting a Holly install, which I am pretty close to being done, but I have to now run the full harness through the firewall. So there's a lot of work to be done. This one a little tune and figure out some fueling issues. This one should be on the dyno in a couple days, so I can finalize the tune on this one. Little nice turbo T56 car, probably making a little bit over 1,000, so it should be fun. So again, just working, and whenever I have time, like today, I literally went inside the house, got some food, and then took a shower, came out here, worked on the car a little bit, and that's pretty much all I can do in a day. So, but again, this thing is, I don't know why, guys, but this thing just got everything that I want, just like it is, all nasty, just like this. Well, not that needs to be fixed, but you get the idea. But anyways, if you want to see anything specific about the car, leave a comment below. Let me know, especially let me know what you think about these amazing Jag wheels right there next to the rusty exhaust. And again, don't mind the gap. I can literally see the other side. But this is also why I love it. This is gonna be awesome. As long as we can get rid of this mud truck tire deal and cut the axles and mini tub it, should be a lot of fun. All right, so we took the 5.3 to the machine shop just to get a hot tank and just a very light hone, and we got it back. And we also cleaned the pistons, the rods, and the pins and all that stuff, and it's looking, it looks good. I'm just not used to this kind of junky build, but it'll work. Oh man, it will work. I'm just can't get over the fact that it just doesn't look the best, but it is what it is, and I'm like pumped that I'm gonna be doing it. At the same time, I'm a little bit nervous about it because the way that I'm gonna do it is like I'm gonna take my time and put some effort into building it and putting it together, like assembling the long block. And then if it doesn't run to my expectations, I might be a little upset. So I am like in a 50-50 situation where I'm like, this is awesome because I'm just gonna run it like it is. And then the other 50% of me is just like, oh man, what if I just buy a bunch of new crap? But that's not, that's not what I want to do with this thing. That's what the Mustang is for. That's the expensive stuff. For this Fox body, we're using a lot of things and just getting a lot of things like for free, a bunch of reused crap, you name it. So let's look at the block. All right, guys, so there it is. So this thing, as you can kind of see my hand, I've been just like looking through it, and it does still have some flash rust right there, and this overall in a bunch of spots, but the cylinder walls clean up fairly good. You can kind of see some of the crosshatch in there. It did look okay. It does look okay. But there's a lot of just junk in there. So it's not ready to be assembled by any means. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab like a scuff pad and then just clean up most of the, like all this stuff, just clean it up, I mean, it's coming off literally with my finger. So I just wanna go through all this stuff. I might be getting too crazy about it, but I wanna go through all this stuff and clean it up. And like this area here, just wanna get all this stuff cleaned up and then pressure wash it. Water soap, getting every crevice, make sure there's nothing going through, that every hole is clear and there's no blockages or anything like that. And then once that is all done, I will feel better about assembling it. So it is nothing crazy again. I know it will work just fine, but I want to give it the best shot that I can with a little bit of more effort. So that's the plan for it, guys. We'll be doing that probably. I'm gonna probably scuff it tonight, and then tomorrow probably water soap it, pressure wash it, and then some WD-40. And then in the next couple of days I will put everything on the table and get everything ready for assembly, and I'll make a whole video about assembling this thing. And it will actually turn out to look pretty good based on the plan that I have in my head right now. So let's end the video here. I will see you guys in about another week or so that I get the video ready for this assembly of the 5.3, this the BlackCheap's, the super poor budget BlackCheap 5.3 iron block. So see you guys in the next one.